I have here this Mindsound IKEA mattress. It's those small thin ones, one person, and it's in need of cleaning, and you can actually remove the cover completely. This is just the foam inside. You will find at some place a zip. It looks like this, but you cannot pull that zip, so it's going to stay locked. They didn't put that small metal piece on it, but just slide the wire inside it and just use that wire to unlock the zip and unzip it completely. Now this cover, it's made of cotton, so only cold water wash and no dryer, so no tumble dry, just suspend to have it dry, otherwise it's going to shrink, it's not going to fit any longer, so just let it dry. No warm, no heat on it, and you should be good to have your cover fresh again, fresh looking again. Okay, now I do like this mattress, and if you read in the instruction, it says it's going to soften after a couple of weeks, and that's very true, and I didn't actually expect it, but at first it really feels firm. It's not comfortable unless you put it on another mattress. It feels firm, and I'd say after 2 or 3 months it definitely get soft, and actually at some places where you sit the most is going to be too soft, but that's how it goes. $100 about in Canada. I don't recommend you buy from IKEA because IKEA furniture, it's oftentimes made with illegal stolen woods, especially from Eastern Europe, from the wood mafia in Eastern Europe, also in Russia. So you are paying the mafia when you buy furniture from IKEA or any other item. But that's up to you. Thanks for watching.